Hello everyone and welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just disassembled the brew unit assembly that is located inside this behind this panel door and behind the water tank. We disassembled the entire thing, deep cleaned everything, make sure the O-rings were in the right place, that there was nothing clogging the brew unit, and we lubricate a little bit the O-rings and just give it a good service and clean to the brew unit itself. So right now we're gonna do an espresso and then we're gonna do a coffee to kind of show you the flow, the difference between one another. Okay, as you can see, nice steady flow coming out of the machine, working great, excellent color as well. The issue of this machine, it was that there was a clog and it was having problems pumping out water through the spouts. So now let's do a coffee, which is gonna pour out a bunch of liquid through here. Let's use this one instead of this glass, as we get to be able to see how it comes out better. It's gonna be 5 ounces of liquid, and as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Water flow not stopping from the brew unit. Water pump not having troubles, pumping out very good, and dispensing coffee the way it's supposed to. Let's fill the water tank and be right back. As you saw, the water tank sensor is working, and hot water dispensing the way it's supposed to. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working excellent. And there you have it, Jura E6 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.